There's nothing quite like biting into a sun-warmed strawberry, freshly picked from your own garden. The sensation is almost magical, as if the essence of summer itself has been captured in that one perfect bite. The flavor explodes in your mouth, so much sweeter and more intense than anything you could find in a shop. It's a taste that transports you back to simpler times, evoking memories of childhood summers and carefree days. Growing your own strawberries is a rewarding experience, connecting you with nature and the food you eat. It's a journey that starts with a tiny seedling and ends with a bountiful harvest, each step filled with anticipation and joy. Imagine stepping outside and plucking ripe, juicy strawberries for breakfast, dessert, or a healthy snack. The convenience and satisfaction of growing your own food is unparalleled. Growing your own ensures you know exactly what went into producing them, free from harmful pesticides. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing your strawberries are as natural and healthy as possible. Plus, it's a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. Children especially love the hands-on experience and the excitement of watching their plants grow and bear fruit. Whether you have a large garden or just a small balcony, container gardening makes it possible for everyone to experience the joy of growing strawberries at home. It's a versatile and adaptable way to bring a bit of nature into your living space. It's surprisingly easy to do, and with a little care and attention, you'll be rewarded with an abundance of delicious fruit. The effort you put in is minimal compared to the delightful returns. So why not give it a try? You might just surprise yourself with your green thumb. The journey of growing strawberries is not just about the end result, but also about the joy and satisfaction found along the way. Growing strawberries in containers offers numerous advantages, especially for those with limited space. Whether you live in an apartment, a townhouse, or a house with a small yard, container gardening makes it possible to enjoy fresh strawberries. Containers are incredibly versatile, fitting comfortably on balconies, patios, or even windowsills. This means you can grow strawberries in places where traditional gardening might not be feasible. This allows you to create a strawberry patch no matter where you live. Urban dwellers can transform their limited outdoor space into a productive garden. Another benefit is the control you have over the growing environment. You can tailor the soil composition, moisture levels, and even the amount of sunlight your plants receive. With containers, you can choose the perfect soil type and drainage for your strawberries. This is crucial for their health and productivity. This is particularly helpful if you have heavy clay soil or poor drainage in your garden. Containers allow you to bypass these issues entirely. Containers also offer excellent protection from pests. Elevating the plants can keep them out of reach of many common garden pests. Slugs and snails, notorious for munching on strawberries, are easily deterred by the raised height of containers. This means fewer pests and healthier plants. This means you can enjoy your harvest without worrying about unwanted visitors. Fresh, homegrown strawberries are just a step away. Finally, container gardening allows for easy movement of your strawberry plants. You can rearrange them as needed to optimize their growth. You can follow the sun, providing optimal growing conditions throughout the day. This ensures your plants get the light they need. Alternatively, you can move the containers to a sheltered spot if the weather turns sour. This flexibility is a significant advantage. This flexibility ensures your strawberries thrive in any environment. Container gardening truly makes it possible to grow strawberries anywhere. Alright, let's move on to section 4, selecting the perfect container. Now we're at section 5, planting and caring for your strawberries, where we will guide you step by step.